Alright, welcome back to part 3 of the sound test scene tutorial script thing that I'm doing. Yeah. So, I haven't done anything since the last tutorial, or last part really. And yeah. Oh yeah, we were supposed to do something about draw text. Alright, I remember that. One thing to note would be that we haven't actually disposed of the windows that we should have been. So we're going to do that right now. Alright. So, go terminate. You can go super if you want. I'd probably do it before super. Yep. Dot dispose. Same for these. Play window command. Yep, you dispose that too. Dot dispose. What's the next one? There you are, help window. Dot dispose. Dot dispose. And last one, sound info window. Dot dispose. Now, for that, we can always go unless dot disposed. Yeah. That might sound a little weird, but what it means is if this has already been disposed, you don't have to dispose the second time, so just don't do it. This will tell you if it has been disposed already. So if it has already been disposed, if disposed comes back as true, then it no longer exists, which means if you try to dispose it, it will crash your game. So that's why you have unless you've already been disposed, dispose the thing. Okay? Sweet. Now, what was we going? Oh yes, draw text. Yes, I remember. We're going to be making a new method for this. So I'll just grab that. New method is going to be method. I'm going to call this update info window text. Alright. And this update window info text. There we go. Now what to do? We'll probably look at this thing. Now, remember that this is inheriting from window command. So that means it has all the attribute readers and accessors from window command. And if we look that up, because I remember there's one called current symbol. So current symbol. Yeah. See? Window command, diff current symbol. Yeah, and it returns that stuff. Alright, let's copy that. Dot current symbol. Yeah. In fact, I should probably show what that does. I've got update here, and I put P. That. And you'll be able to see it. Leaving Earth, go down, blinded by light, see? So as you can see, it changes depending on where you are. And that's what that does. So, get rid of that. What we're going to do is, we're going to make another instance variable here. Another instance variable, which I should do in initialize actually. Yeah, I'll do it in initialize. Initialize, and this is going to be current sound symbol, and I guess that will just equal to back down that. It's going to equal to that. Now what's going to happen is we're going to go if current symbol, the one that we actually already have, is not equal to whatever we actually are over, then we'll change text. Alright, so first thing we do is, if we're not equal to that current symbol, then make us equal to that current symbol. Equals to that. In fact, you know what? Just to fix that up, we should actually not have this equal to that. We should have this equal to random things. Sort of. We'll just nil. I wonder if nil works. I'm not sure. That might throw an error. It may. I'm not sure. Alright, let's actually find out. Put this in update. There. Update. Do it. Alright. So that didn't error. That's fine. Alright, sweet. We can keep it like that then. Just current symbol is equal to nil. Current sound symbol. Current selected sound. Okay. So if that's the case, then what we're going to do is, if we've changed the position, then we have to redraw the text that we're on. So to do that, we simply just go sounds. Where are you? Give me. Thank you. Sounds. That. Sounds, and convert this the current symbol stuff back into string. I think it is. That should work. So where's some? We have to go text, by the way. So text. Text is equal to sounds current symbol to S, and what's that? I want this, the info line 1, so give me that. Alright, info line 1, which will give me the first line. Alright. .gsub, because you remember what gsub does? That gets rid of text and replaces it with things, so I'm going to get rid of every new line thing they have and replace it with nothing. So that way it doesn't screw with the flow. Plus new line. Alright. So line 2. Line 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now for this, there you are. Sound info stuff. Yep. .draw text, and that takes in the argument of text. And now, if we were to play it, I hope that should work. Wrong number of arguments. 5 for 1. Whoa. Okay. Alright. I guess what I'll do instead. No. I have a little think about this. Draw text EX. We used it before. I think that was an error we had before as well. How do we fix it? Draw text EX. Yep. Likewise. Text is equal to text. Yes, yes, yes. What's the position for? Where did it error? Damn it, I forgot where it errored. There it is. Nope. Ah. Debug time. 5 for 1. Alright. 5 for 1. C pause. Oh. Damn it, that's why. Because it's going to draw text. That was the name of the default method. And we have here called draw text. And this only takes one argument, and the other one takes like 5. So we have to go draw text. Draw text sound info. Sound info. Back up. Back up. There you are, and just put it there. There we go. And that should work. God damn it. Cannot yield from root fiber. What the F? Don't show me this stuff. I don't like that stuff. Wait for one character. Yes. How about you just don't? Instead, how about you just not wait for a character at all? Yeah, I like that idea. Okay, so as you see, it's working, but it's not clearing. So we need to clear it. And to clear it, what do? We go here to contents.clear. Contents.clear. Alright, new game. Alright, awesome. So the author used as final battle theme, which does not fit on the damn screen. But anyway. Alright, seeing how the thing is so freaking big anyway, I think we could do something to fix this. To make it a little bigger, better, somewhat. What to do, what to do. I'm not really sure at the moment. Yeah. So, what are we going to do about that? Having a little think. I don't know. Well, for one thing, we can add in more lines because, quite frankly, it can hold more than 4. I'll come back to that later. For now, let's move on to the next thing. Next thing is going to be actually playing the sound itself. So, if you select one of the things, then we have to go into the other window, the other command window. So let's do this. First of all, if input.trigger C, which is Z on your keyboard, enter, and spacebar. If that, and then we're going to go if command window dot active. I think it is. It should just be active. No, that's game common event. We are looking for command window or selectable. Alright, looks like active is alright. Dot active. If that dot active, and then if that is, then we have to make the other one active. Else activate dot deactivate. Alright, and now we have to make the play window activate. Dot activate. Dot deactivate. Alright, and that returns scene. What we're going to do instead, if input trigger and that's deactive. Okay. Alright. Hey. No. Hang on. How come you're not working? No, you're not working. Well. Damn. Alright. That's a deactivate, and else deactivate that. You're not working, my friend. Dot active. we'll go equal to true. Otherwise, don't worry. Alright, try again. You're still not working, damn it. Deactive for that. Alright, so deactive isn't working. No, it's because of D. Yeah. Alright. Okay, let's try to figure this out. We're actually going to print this out. Print this active stuff. See what we get. True. It's still true. Alright, I think instead what we're going to do is don't worry about deactivate, because it apparently doesn't work. And instead we're going to go, don't need to worry about that, equals to false. I'll comment the rest out. Damn it, man, why are you still true? I don't understand. Should be, so if input trigger, if we input trigger yes, then you should be equal to false. So why are you not equal to false? Alright, so having a little play around with it, I can only assume that it has something to do with command window. So I'm going to go and check that out. Window command here. You should have update somewhere. You should, doesn't mean you do. Alright, you got refresh, but no update. When it's active, it is then. You got an update? Yes, you do. Somewhere. I know you have an update somewhere. Or a command window or something. Show me. Oh. Alright, process codes and move, that's fine. Okay, enabled, yes. Process okay. That's what we're looking for. Current item enabled, yes. Play that. Deactivate. So if I press OK, then you're supposed to deactivate yourself. Alright, that's fine. There it is. Alright, I just figured out why. It's the same reason that we have to do stuff with menu command, which is not here, it's in C menu, C menu, C menu, there you are. This, we have to go set handler. That's why it's not working. So let's do that. Alright. Where's the stuff? There you are. Alright, set handler. Now make a manless. Set handlers. Set handlers, and yep, set handler, and all you're going to do is taking an argument of, no, that's exactly the opposite of what I want to do. Not set handler. This is supposed to be what command you're going to go to when I select you. This is just going to be like deactivate self. Deactivate self. Which is just going to be self.deactivate. Alright. Command window, set handler, stuff like that. Yeah. Alright. Add command, and now you have to go set handler. Set handler, and your handler is just this. Oh, it's this. And your method is simply this. Alright, let's see if that works. Why? Alright, let's just grab this and we'll put it in the actual original scene. Alright, gimme. Just have to pause there for a moment to recapture myself. Okay. Sorry for all this, but you know, it's debugging, guys. Just trying to re-figure out how I'm doing things, and yeah. Set handlers. Give me this. Def. Set. Command. Window. Handlers. That's sound command window, by the way. Sound. Command window. Handlers. End. Now, what's going to happen is every time I say yes and do something, it's going to do something. Set command handlers. Now, that's your method. The method after that's going to be def deactivate sounds command window. Copy there. Now we have to do an each loop again, so I'm just going to copy this one. Where are you? There you are. Sounds use do key name do that. Alright, that part's done. So every time it comes into here, it's going to do this. And for that, I simply want you to do this dot deactivate and this to activate dot activate. Alright. Sound set command handlers and deactivate sound command window. Okay, debugging time. Hopefully it's over. Damn it. Penalties do. Yes, that's fine. Missing an N somewhere. Not sure where though. You want to show that to me again? I expect the keyword N. Yes, okay. Maybe I have too many N's. Though I seriously doubt that. But it's possible. It's possible. I don't see it though. It must be in the wrong spot. Yes, make a command list. That looks fine. That's fine. I don't understand. Where's the other end thing coming from? It's fine. That's fine. If you notice this, give yourself a pat in the back, because it took me about 15 minutes to finally notice it. I have a dot here. Okay. Now, there was actually one other thing I noticed when I was looking for that. I named this sound text. It's test, so I've got to fix that. Yeah. Cool. Now, none of that started. What else? Was there anything else? Oh yes, this set handler. This won't work because this, for one thing, is not actually being called, and secondly, because set handler doesn't exist in this class. We're actually looking for this. Alright, now we need to set it up. So we'll just set it up here. Or we can set it up here. Doesn't really matter where. Okay, go. Hopefully that should work. Yeah, there we go. See, so now the next one isn't available. So the sound test one was no longer activated, and the play sound one was activated. So now let's act off of that and actually make stuff happen. Alright, we need to also set the handlers for the play sound one. So let's do that. Back to here, this stuff. Alright, set sounds play handlers. What are your handlers? There, here they are. I just want them. Give me. There you are. So set sound command, not sound command, sound play, window handlers, and there you are. Dot set. Is it underscore? Yep, underscore handler. Your symbol is this, so give me. And your method. What's your method? Alright, so if we're gonna play sound, we have to play sound. Just give me a sec. I need to have a drink. Let's continue. Play sound. I'm gonna have a method here, but I'll do that in a sec. For now, copy. Alright, play sound and volume. I should just call that volume. It's gonna be volume. Volume. Pitch. Pitch and position. Position. Play sound, volume, position. Volume. Pitch. Position. Alright, that's all done. Now position. At the moment, all I'm going to do is just have it play at play sound. I'm not going to do the volume, pitch, and position stuff until the next part. So def play sound command. Sound command end. Now, if input be and this is active, dot active, otherwise oh, where's the other one? Give me sound, that. So when I have it, so when I press B, we go into the other one. Alright, need to make another method. Where is that first one? There it is. Give me that. Do the opposite. Activate sound play. Sound play command window. Yep. Now do the exact opposite. Alright. Do that. Okay. Alright, that's done. And def play sound command. This one's just going to be RPG BGM dot new whatever sound we're currently on. So that should be symbol. Where's that current one? There it is. Give me that. Current symbol, and that should be toString, I think. toString. So that's the name of it. And then for now, just a default pitch. So sounds. Sounds meaning what's in our original thing. Yep, sounds OS, and that's default volume, I believe. Default volume. Where am I going here? Default volume. Sound, there you are. Default volume. Instead of putting it there, how about I just go up here? Alright, that's volume, so equal to that. Pitch, so default pitch now. Default pitch. So that's pit. And the actual height, that. And name is equal to just that to string. Name, vol, and pit dot play, and that should work. But before we do that, default volume, the volume stuff, we have to go down here and do it here. Volume, pitch, and position. Alright, now let's set the method. Thank you. Alright, and the method name is simply display sound command. So, copy. Cool. Play sound command. Play sound command. And that should work. Oh, right. Silly me. Because I haven't set the handlers. Alright, now it should work. Cool. But now I can't move. Alright. So to fix that, I have to go back into the play sound stuff and reactivate this window. Since when you actually select something in window command, it deactivates itself. So you have to reactivate it. You want to keep using it, which I do. So I'm going to reactivate it. Dot activate. Pick a new sound this time. There you go. Alright, when I press B though, it goes back out. That's not what we want. I mean when I press X. And that probably will be because I'm actually telling it to return the scene right after I do this. See, order of operations. What happens was, when this was above that, this would actually do this stuff, which would reactivate this window. And then right after it reactivates this window, we're actually going, if input trigger B, which it is, and this window is active, get out of there. Yeah, so if we do it afterwards, then it should work. Alright. Alright. There you go. That's that part done. Now, the only thing we have left to do is to modify the volume, pitch, and position. Oh, and also the help window. I haven't looked at the help window, so I have to fix that up too. Alright, but I can wait until the next part for that. For now, that is all. Sorry for the debugging stuff. But hey, it happens. Programming. Anyway, until next tutorial, stay safe.